In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MT4 or MT5 to TradingView. Now, before we jump in, I want to clear up something that trips a lot of people up right away. TradingView and MetaTrader don't talk to each other natively. They're built by completely different companies, and TradingView only has direct integration with a small handful of brokers, none of which are your standard MT4 or MT5 setup. So we're going to need a middleman, called a bridge, to make this connection happen. Don't worry, it's a lot more approachable than it sounds once you see how the pieces fit together. Let's dive right in. Here's the basic idea before we get into clicking through menus. TradingView is where your charts, alerts, and strategies live, while MT4 or MT5 is what actually places trades with your broker. A bridge tool sits in between the two, listening for alerts from TradingView and instantly forwarding them to MetaTrader as executable orders. There are a few well-known bridge services out there, so it's worth spending a few minutes comparing them based on your broker compatibility and pricing before picking one, since the setup process is fairly similar across all of them. Option A, setting things up on the MetaTrader side. Once you've signed up with a bridge service, head into their dashboard and download the Expert Advisor file, often just called an E, that's built for either MT4 or MT5, depending on which one you're using. Open your MetaTrader Navigator panel, and you should see the E listed under Expert Advisors once it's properly installed. Drag it onto any open chart, and here's a nice bit of reassurance. You generally only need to do this once, since a single E instance can handle every symbol you trade, not just the one it's sitting on. Before it'll actually work though, look for the auto trading button along your MT4 or MT5 toolbar and make sure it's switched on, and double check inside the E's own settings that allow live trading is enabled too. Skipping either of these is easily the most common reason signals never come through. Option B, setting things up on the TradingView side. Back in your bridges dashboard, you'll find a unique webhook URL along with a license ID or API key tied to your account. Keep that tab open, since you'll need both in a second. Now head over to TradingView, open up the chart or strategy you want alerts from, and click the alarm clock icon to create a new alert. Set your trigger condition as usual, and then look for the Notifications tab within that same alert window, where you'll paste in the webhook URL from your bridge. In the message box, you'll need to format your order details using your bridge's specific syntax, usually your license ID, the action like buy or sell, the symbol, and your lot size. So it's worth keeping their documentation open the first time, since the exact wording varies slightly from one bridge to another. Once everything's saved, don't go straight to a live account. Fire off a test alert on a demo account first and confirm in your bridge's dashboard that the signal was received and executed correctly in MetaTrader. A quick 2-minute test now can save you from a costly mix-up later. One more thing worth knowing. Since MetaTrader needs to stay open and connected for signals to actually fire, a lot of traders end up running it on a VPS, which is essentially a remote computer that stays online around the clock, rather than relying on their own laptop, never sleeping or losing internet. If things aren't going through after all that, the culprit is almost always one of a few usual suspects: a mistyped webhook URL, the E not actually attached to a running chart, auto trading switched off, or a missing license key in your alert message. Working through those in order clears it up nearly every time. And that's the full picture: a bridge tool to translate between the two platforms, an E running quietly in MetaTrader, and a properly formatted webhook alert on the TradingView side. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.